Hello friends, how are you? I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of a budget recording setup that I have done at home. If you're looking for audio recording or recording instruments or vocals at home and you're on a budget like me, you don't have a lot of money, so then this is the video you should continue. If you're looking for something like very nice, then this is not a video for you. So let me quickly walk you over what all equipment I have here. So basically what I was looking for was to actually record an instrument and a vocal live. So I went ahead and bought this Focusrite 2i2, which takes two input channels. So basically you can see one cable is actually going to microphone and one to this drum kit. I have this very cheap drum kit from Amazon by a pile. I'm using that just for testing. And then the other one is going to microphone here. That's from Audio Technica. With the microphone, I also bought a shock filter and a pop filter that actually helps you to record actually a good quality audio sound. This cable actually came with Focusrite, only the red one that you see. And basically what I have done here is I'm feeding both these inputs here, and you can see if I tap over here you will see these lights glowing. That means it's reading the input. And then with the Focusrite I also receive a license for Ableton 10. I have connected my Focusrite to my Mac here. I record there, so basically I drag a track there, which is like a backing track with a basic instruments, and then we play a drum kit and vocals over it. And I just made like a junction here. You can see this is a cheap solution. So what I'm doing is, instead of feeding the output to Focusrite, actually you can attach a headphone here, but since I have two persons playing, I needed to attach two headphones. So I just changed my settings to actually send the output from the Mac itself. So, and I have attached here two headphones. This one actually came with Focusrite Scarlet itself, and I have another headphone, so you can basically listen while doing live recording. Yeah, that's mostly it. And then I also have this my Ion Pathfinder. So basically I use it as a monitor, or when we are done with recording, if you have to listen. And actually there's a lot of work you have to do in Ableton Live during recording, like how to mix the track, how to drag and enable. I would not do in video, otherwise this video will become too long. That I will leave it for a separate discussion. But if you are interested to learn about how I do recording, how do I mix, and how do I superimpose instrument on all these recordings, please leave a comment. I'll make a separate video on that. So that's pretty much it in this video. So if you're looking for a budget system, so to do recording at home, I would recommend getting a Focusrite and Audio Technica microphone. Once again, thanks for watching this. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I'll try to answer. And if you're interested to hear more about Focusrite and how to use Ableton Live, let me know. I'll make a separate video on it. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.